If I asked you to launch a new product tomorrow, what's the first thing you would do?
Probably spend a few days digging around to find the most reliable supplier. And most sellers get stuck there. You don't know which factories are legitimate. You are scared of unexpected supply chain delays. And you think you need to order thousands of units just to get the best price. And by the time you source the product, the trend has already passed.
Exactly, that's why so many side hustles die before they're even launched. Sourcing feels like this huge, expensive barrier.
Today we are breaking the barrier because Alibaba.com has an AI mode sourcing feature. This feature allows you to match your needs, find reliable suppliers, and even draft your first inquiry message. It can cut down the time to find the right supplier from a few days to just a few hours. So let's dive in. Let's start with the problems that all new sellers face when sourcing a product. First is finding a legitimate supplier. Now, anyone can list a product online, but how do you know whether you're talking to the real factory or just a middleman who's able to mark up the price 2 times? Second is high minimum order quantities, because most suppliers want you to order 500 to 1,000 units, which is impossible if you're just testing a new product idea with a few $100s. Third, no protection if things go wrong. You already send money to the supplier, but what if the product reaches you broken, wrong color, wrong size, or does not ship at all? Fourth, slow shipping actually kills your business. What if it takes 4 to 6 weeks for ocean freight to reach your doorstep? And if your product sells out fast, you have no time to restock.
And all of that is exactly why people give up on selling products. It feels like you need this huge budget and industry connections just to get started.
That's exactly the gap that Alibaba.com solves. It's not just a product listing site, it's an end-to-end sourcing platform for small and medium businesses. And one of the great parts, its built-in AI feature eliminates most of the traditional business sourcing headaches. Now let's dive right in. For example, let us search for trending water bottles in the United States. Here we see a few trends that has been highlighted. Hybrid lids, high capacity portability, insulation performance, and a few brands stand out, such as popular insulated tumblers on the market.
Oh yeah, I just bought one of those popular tumblers recently.
Now let us search if there's actually a market opportunity in the United States for us to launch our own brand. Here it did a full analytical breakdown. It saw the market gaps, innovation driven, and even generated a full report for us. This will actually take a few consultants and a few agencies to deliver over a span of 4 weeks, and now we got it live. What I like is not just giving product recommendations.
It's giving context,
Exactly, it's actually explaining why a few opportunities are worth looking at.
which is honestly what most people struggle with.
Let's say we actually like this product. Now I can ask the AI to find product variations, concepts, and recommendations how we can stand out in our market.
So now it's helping shape the product too?
Yes, that's what actually surprised me. I expected sourcing. I don't expect the whole idea development and finding ways for us to stand out in the market.
You're basically moving from research into product development.
After knowing how we're going to stand out, now we're just going to submit this prompt and telling the AI agent to find best products, focus on travel so we can stand out in the market. Now we got a few recommendations of the products. I see a few suppliers that can provide in different sizes and different utility functions. Now let's see if we can take this all the way. Let's select this product and let's find verified suppliers that sells this product.
So now we've gone from idea to actual supplier recommendations.
Yes, and all of them done in one simple workflow.
That's one of the key benefits of Alibaba.com's AI sourcing feature.
Yes, less context switching and less bouncing between tools. Here we see we've been recommended 3 different suppliers with different capacities and different certifications. And now we can draft an inquiry email to all of these 3 suppliers. Note that the AI mode cannot actually send direct inquiries to the suppliers. It can only draft the message that we need to manually approve, review, and then send it out to the supplier. Now here's another feature that saves hours of manual sourcing work. It's called Alibaba Lens. Let's say you see a trending product on an online retail website or scrolling through social media. Before, you'd have to guess the keywords, you have to scroll through listings of multiple factories selling the same item. And now all you have to do is just drag, and then the products appear on the right side. You can even search for the suppliers that we can directly source from.
Whoa, that's matching suppliers right away.
Exactly. Alibaba Lens scans the image and then finds the verified suppliers from Alibaba.com at factory level pricing. Here we can compare manufacturing capabilities and structured parameters in seconds.
So that cuts out all the guesswork of searching for the right supplier.
Exactly. What used to take 20 plus minutes of scrolling and keyword testing takes just seconds. It's perfect for when you find a product you want to sell and need to source it fast at a highly competitive cost. And many of these suppliers are verified suppliers on Alibaba.com, helping you connect directly with professional businesses. Many also offer a US local warehouse with a 7-day dispatch, so you don't have to worry about ocean freight taking weeks. So if you're thinking about launching a product, the hardest part is actually sourcing reliably and affordably. Alibaba.com's AI features helps you move from idea to supplier outreach much faster than doing everything manually. From market research to finding verified suppliers to drafting your first inquiry. So if you want to try it out, download the Alibaba.com's app via the link in the description below. You can use the AI mode to research your product niche, or you can use Alibaba Lens to source any product that you find online. Once you find a supplier that fits your needs, you can use the AI to draft an inquiry email via the platform and reach out to them manually. Drop a comment below if you have ever struggled to find the right supplier. I would love to hear what products you are sourcing.